Shannon and I are hiking the Big Schloss, Little Schloss Loop Trail. Gonna be a good time. Good morning, guys. We're hiking to the top of Big Schloss this morning. We hiked up to the top of the ridge last night, so we only have like an hour. Sorry, not an hour. We only have like a mile to go to get out there, then a mile back. And after that, we will have 11 miles to complete for the whole loop. We'll probably do another 8 today. Let's see it. Well, the new fiance seems to have been having some problems with her toe. Too bad that we're gonna probably have to go back down. I think we're gonna camp somewhere else tonight, but not ideal for like 11 more miles of hiking. So we're gonna head back down. What you think, Rony boy? Sound good? Might do a little more salamander in tonight. Well, I think we're gonna head to Harrisonburg, Virginia, and do a little bit of exploring around there. We're gonna do some thrifting, get some good food, grab a beer, and Rony is very excited. Oh my gosh. Zoomy Central. All right, but we're gonna get on hiking. If you want to see the rest of the Big Schloss hike, I already have 2 videos on it. One of them is really neat because it's when the cicadas, the 17-year cicadas were around, and they were just everywhere up here. So if you want to check those out, I'll bloop them up on the screen right now. If not, stay tuned for this one, and we'll see what happens for the rest of the day. I think we're gonna get hiking and camp at another location, either in Shenandoah National Park or maybe somewhere else in the George Washington National Forest, but we'll see. And then stay tuned and you'll find out what happens. We made it back to the car. Now we're heading to Harrisonburg, Virginia. Gonna do a little shopping around, some antiquing, thrifting, get a little food maybe, and probably a margarita or two to celebrate. Then we're gonna head over to the George Washington National Forest, and I'm gonna camp up there in the forest somewhere and head back home tomorrow. Stay tuned, we got some good stuff coming. So those Plethodon punctatus that we saw last night is a pretty neat species. They are also a part of the Plethodon wehrlei complex that I've been hammering the past couple weeks. If you haven't seen my video on Plethodon paulii that I finally found, you can check it out. I'll bloop it up on the screen here. But yeah, Plethodon punctatus, the cow knob salamander, they're only found on a small section of the West Virginia border. They live in high elevations, and they look pretty similar to a regular old Plethodon wehrlei, but they don't have any of the red spots that the wehrlei sometimes have. And they have like a yellow cream on their sides. They look pretty similar to the slimy salamanders, but pretty neat species. I was really excited to see those kind of impromptu last night. But gonna make a little coffee here and then get rolling, clean up camp and all that. So we're gonna actually head back to Harrisonburg this morning. We got a little shopping to do. I need some new dress shoes and just like random stuff. So we're gonna go thrifting around a little bit more, grab some good breakfast. But I'm probably gonna call off the video here. So thanks for watching, and as always, hope you learned something new. Peace.